are here in Chesterfield. I'm here with Mario. How are you, Mario?
Pretty good, thank you.
That is awesome. So you've had some experience with Miss Dig, correct?
Yes, I have.
Why do you think it was important for you to use Miss Dig when you did?
Well, there's so many hidden factors in a project of any kind underground, whether it be gas, cable television, Xfinity, or whatever you want to. So many things that you can't see, and a tremendous amount of damage can be done if you don't call Ms. Dig first to find out where those things are and have them indicated to wherever the contractor is digging.
That is correct, yes. And now the big $1 million question, what number do you call to reach Miss Dig 811?
811.
That's right, you got it, all right.
Be smart, be safe, and call Miss Dig 811 before you dig.